In this short video, we'll be discussing the FNAC classification of thyroid reports, and we'll compare this with the Bethesda system. Now, these two systems are very similar. There are very subtle differences. So, if you look at the two side by side, you'll get a better idea. So, let us look at the FNAC first. FNAC THY is the standard prefix which is used for reporting. THY1 means it is non-diagnostic. Now, this it can be non-diagnostic either due to an error in part of the person who's performing the FNAC, in part of failure of the instrument, or the material is not enough, or maybe that the pathologist is not able to interpret it properly. But for whatever reason, it is non-diagnostic. Usually, it is because the material is not adequate enough. So, what is done after this is you do one more FNAC, which is image guided, usually ultrasound guided. Now, 1C is same, it is non-diagnostic, but it is cystic. This C stands for cystic. 2 is it is non-neoplastic or benign. 3 is follicular. Now, follicular is given special place in this Bethesda classification because an FNAC cannot differentiate between a follicular adenoma and a carcinoma. This is because to diagnose a follicular carcinoma and to differentiate it from follicular adenoma, we need tissue. That is, we need a true cut biopsy or a core needle biopsy. We need some amount of tissue basically to look at the architecture of the cells, and just cytology. FNAC is just cytology. That is not enough. 4 is suspicious of malignancy and 5 is malignant. So, to recap, 1 is non-diagnostic, 1C is cystic, 2 is non-neoplastic or benign, 3 is follicular, 4 is suspicious of malignancy and 5 is malignant. Now, if you look at the Bethesda system, it is almost the same with only one difference, that is of grade 3 over here. Now, before that, 1 is non-diagnostic. This corresponds to Thigh 1 and Thigh 1C. Bethesda 2 corresponds to Thigh 2, that is, it is benign. Bethesda 4 stands for follicular neoplasm or suspicious for follicular neoplasm. 5 and 6 stand for suspicious for malignancy and malignant. Now, if you look at this one, the thyroid 1 corresponds to Bethesda 1. Thyroid 2 corresponds to Bethesda 2. Now, there is no corresponding heading for Bethesda 3. So, this is atypia of undetermined significance or follicular lesion of undetermined significance. Basically, whatever is undetermined is 3. The remaining is almost the same. So, 4 is follicular neoplasm, 5 is suspicious for malignancy and 6 is malignant. Now, what you need to remember here is that any lesion which is thyroid 3 and above, I'll use a deeper shade. Any lesion which is thyroid 3 and above, basically this entire thing, thyroid 3 and above, and Bethesda 4 and above, these require surgery. The remaining can be conservatively managed, but thyroid 3 and above and Bethesda 4 and above will require surgery.